Official size home plate. Solid bottom. Reinforced, injection molded interlocking rubber tubes. Height adjusts from 21 to 36. Great training tool. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy and durable. Stands up to punishment from hitters of all ages. Great construction. Had to buy this to replace another tee that broke the very first practice, and cost more. I'm expecting to get several seasons out of this. The tee adjusts easily and screws into the base, which is just as sturdy. This is made of a very heavy rubber that stands up to a lot of punishment. You coaches understand what I'm saying. As a former World Series coach, I recommend this for any age group.